body, my choice. A small group of protesters have caught wind that BC's Provincial Health Officer, Dr. Bonnie Henry, is the guest of honor at the Highcraft Manor, and they're not happy.
My body, it's my choice. Come on, all y'all, let's make some noise. It's my body, it's my choice. Come on, all y'all, let's make some noise.
Society's starting to collapse because of what they're pulling, and she can just still come to a lovely dinner and walk in without any remorse. It's weird to see.
All-cause mortality has skyrocketed since the rollout of these so-called vaccines, which are actually just gene therapy. If you old ladies would get off your butts and actually learn to read and get off global news and CNN.
Shame! 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 Shame!
Drea Humphrey here with Rebel News, standing in front of Vancouver's Highcraft Manor, which is located on 16th and Granville Street. There's about 15 to 20 people gathered here because they've caught wind that BC's Provincial Health Officer, Dr. Bonnie Henry, is the guest of honor inside at a $125 plate tea and crumpet type event. She came in with her security detail that didn't seem to be expecting protesters, had to take another loop, and eventually did come in the only way you can enter. Now, if I was allowed on the property, I would have 1,000,001 questions to ask the public health officer, starting with what science is she relying on to still prevent thousands of healthcare workers from relieving our critically understaffed healthcare system. ERs in rural areas being shut down for a total of 4 months altogether, babies dying before they can get a paramedic. It is insane, yet somehow only British Columbia and Nova Scotia are still keeping this coercive mandate. Now, behind me is a poster set up. It looks like it's been brought here by a couple of people with Stand United, and they claim that the images you're seeing on there are all people. I stopped there. You're watching this on YouTube, so I can't finish that sentence. If you want to see this full report, what ends up happening here and what the people have to say who gathered here, go to the description in the box below and go to the full uncensored report at rebelnews.com. I'm Drea Humphrey, and I'll see you when you get there.